This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Always replace the brake pads in pairs, on both the left and right sides of the vehicle. Never replace the pads on just one side. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. To prevent brake fluid from possibly overflowing the reservoir when the calipers are fully retracted, use a syringe or suction gun to remove brake fluid until the reservoir is approximately half full. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Block the wheels at the opposite end. Remove the wheels. Before disassembling the brake system, position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Do not use compressed air. Do not inhale brake dust. Using two large C-clamps, depress the pistons into the bottom of their bores in the caliper to make room for the new pads. Tighten the clamps evenly and make sure the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir doesn't overflow. Remove the caliper lower mounting bolt. Then rotate the caliper upward for access to the pads. Remove the inner and outer brake pads. Remove the top and bottom pad support plates from the mounting bracket. Clean the lower guide pin and apply a coat of high temperature brake grease to it before reinstalling. Make sure the boot is seated properly onto the groove on the pin when reinstalling. Repeat this for the upper guide pin. Install the new shims, coated with a film of high temperature brake grease, into the caliper mounting bracket. Install the new inner and outer brake pads, in the same fashion as the old ones were in prior to removal. Swing the caliper down and tighten the caliper mounting bolts to 47 foot-pounds. Make sure to torque the upper mounting bolt first, then the lower mounting bolt. Pump the brake pedal several times to set the brake pads in place. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. Refill the master cylinder reservoir to the indicated lines with the proper type of new brake fluid to compensate for the fluid taken out previously. Check the operation of the brakes carefully before placing the vehicle into normal service.